Okay, hi all. Today we're going to learn about how to use DGET function as an alternative for you to get value from existing tables or database aside from VLOOK function. You might be familiar with VLOOK function that uh, it is the easiest way to look up and get the value of any field in table in a table in a table. But there's some things that uh, VLOOKUP can cannot get the value from the table. If the key, the criteria is in the right side of the value you want to get. For example, if it is it is simple, if you want this name, if you want to get KPI score of the person, the name, if you select table from the name to the right, you cannot uh, select or choose the table all the way from the department to the region. You have to choose, select the table from the name field to the right. Let me show you. For example, want to get this Higgs KPI score. If sorry, up the value is sorry here. The table array. We choose from the department field all the way to the region or the KPI score. Take the second uh, one, two, three. The third field, the third column, to the left, false. With the exact match, comes an error. If you choose say the second column from the name right here, first, second column, it also gives you an error. The difference from the VLOOKUP function, the DGET can get you any value from any fields in the existing tables or database. Simple one like this. So we type in our DGET function, choose the database right here, the table, choose all the way from department to the region. The good things, one more good thing from get, you can also choose or select blank database to blank field or column to add later. First, we have for keys. Field is right here. Make sure this field right here match the header of your table right here, the source table right here. Make sure it is matched. And the criteria right here. Please make sure this also has the same name or the same characters just like in the table, and close the brackets. Choose now have KPI score of Kelly Broke. The same you can also get as a data validation, so easier for you to look up the name or the KPI score of the name you choose. So validation. There you go. Source right here. Those just automatically play the KPI score for you. Okay. This DGET function also can get you more than one criteria. Look, let's say you want to choose uh, the production manager of Asia and Australia. And part position and have validation. Change the list right here. Also the validation. Change the list position. And this is name. First, you check OK. Do the region. Change here. Change about right. Now type in function that is still same. Lock the range with F4 key. Fill name criteria is here. All of those the brackets. Just one. Yes, because there's okay. No distribution stuff. Not a Let's say I want production manager in Asia, Australia. Production manager in Asia, Australia. That will be growth. Production manager in Middle East. Dairy Kramer. Okay. This is the simple example. The use of the get function as an alternative for you to replace a VLOOKUP function that has some limitation, just like I told before. The lookup function cannot pick up or get you value to the left of your key criteria. So it must be the lookup function. It must be can only can get you a value to the right of your key parameter. Example, if you want to look at the KPI score of the name right here, the VLOOKUP function, it will work effectively. But you want to see what uh, position this name hold, because the position is to the left of the name column, VLOOKUP function cannot help you with that. So if you want to get the position of these names, you can consider to use the DGET function. Okay, for now, sorry for my bad English. Uh, Hope this video will help you with your job or task. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video, share it if you find this video is useful, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and bye.